Hey, I'm Hasper with WTI and I just finished doing my skincare routine. And I wanted to share one thing that has been helping me with my pores and blackheads since it is something that I struggle with because of my oily skin. This is the Peace Out Pore Perfecting Stick, and it is actually an blackhead remover. It has a blend of acids, including glycolic acid and salicylic acid. And I don't only use it as a scrub, but also as a mask by leaving it on for 10 minutes. Something I love about this product is how easy it is to use and also lets me have a smoother look on my face, especially because I wear makeup a lot and it looks terrible to me when I am wearing makeup and I can see all those clogged pores. So I love using this stick at least 3 times a week so that I can keep my face as smooth as possible. I really don't need much because with just a little bit of water, so if I damp my hands and then I start scrubbing my face with the product that I just put on, I think it works wonderfully and I really see a big difference. I especially use it on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my chin because that's where I have more visible pores. So this is definitely one of my favorite products that I use at least 2 to 3 times a week to keep my face smooth, clean, and fresh. So if you like to have a clean face and just be okay with a little bit of SPF on and have shiny and glowy skin, well, this product might help. It has helped me a lot, and yeah, that's my point of view.